Hello everyone. This is question 4 from exercise 4.1. Here you are given to draw a rhombus. The name of the rhombus is BEST. Okay everyone. So these two sides are given. The measurement of BE is 4.5 centimeter. ET is 6 centimeter. Now children, we all know that in a rhombus all the sides are equal. Okay, so first all the sides are equal, right? And in this exercise the questions are based in this way. The sides are given to you and one diagonal is given to you. Now children, just by looking at these two sides, can you say which one is the side and which one is the diagonal? No, we cannot say. So we will draw a rough sketch of a rhombus, and then we will be able to identify that exactly which one is the side and which one is the diagonal. So we have drawn the rhombus BEST. Okay, BE is 4.5 centimeter. BE 4.5 means what? The sides we know now. If one side is 4.5, other sides also will be 4.5 because it is a rhombus. All the sides are equal to each other. ET 6 centimeters. So we have come to know that ET is the diagonal and the measurement of diagonal is given to you 6 centimeter, right? So children, this is the rough sketch. With this rough sketch we actually got the idea, isn't it? Which one is the diagonal, which are the sides. So accordingly we can plan our construction and then start with the construction, right? So the rough diagram has really helped us. So let us start. We will do our construction with the help of compass scale. So first we will draw the diagonal. Okay, means ET 6 centimeter. So let us try. Okay, 6 centimeter. Children, I am drawing with a pen, but all of you will draw with pencil. I am drawing with pen just to make the diagram little prominent as it is a video. So the diagonal is done. Let us name it ET. Okay. Now we will draw this part, means this triangle first we will draw, then this triangle we will draw. So ES we will try to draw now. 4.5 centimeter, right? So we will take the measurement in this way. 4.5 centimeter, that means it will be here, right? So let us draw. From this point T we will draw. We are drawing ES, right? So from E we will draw. E we will draw the arc, right? 4.5 centimeter measurement we took and then we have drawn the arc. Now children, ST, right? T is already there, means TS we will draw. See children, the measurement is 4.5 centimeter only, right? So that means our measurement in the compass is already 4.5. We need not change it, isn't it? See, because as it is a rhombus, all the sides are equal to each other, so all the sides will be 4.5 centimeter. So see, we have drawn 4.5. Okay, so this is our point of intersection of the two arcs. We will name it as S because we are drawing this triangle. Now we will very nicely join ST. Okay, so in this way we will join the lines and now join ES in this way. Okay, so one part is done. Now this part we will draw. Children, the measurement is same, Right, so drawing a rhombus is turning to be a easy one because we need not change it again and again measurement, as the measurement is same, 4.5 centimeters. So taking point T, we will draw an arc in this way. Now taking point E, we will draw the arc in this way. So arc is done. So this is the point. This we will name as B, right? Because this part we have drawn already. This part we are going to draw. So it's B here. So we will very nicely join. We will very nicely join the lines. So we are done. So children, see, this is the required quadrilateral, right? This is the rhombus BEST. Now let us write the measurements. Okay, so the diagonal ET was 6 centimeter and all the sides are 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. So all the sides are 4.5 centimeter. One diagonal is given to us, that was ET 6 centimeters. So this is the required quadrilateral, the rhombus. Okay, rhombus BEST. Children, always remember one thing, when you see and hear about a rhombus, just remember one thing is that in a rhombus all the sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are of same measurements, right?